Greetings, friends. Today's video is on chicken soup. Many varieties of chicken soup are available in restaurants, but this video is a recipe for a chicken soup that can be easily made at home with ingredients that are readily available. So welcome everyone to a new video from Chef Joji. First, let's prepare the chicken stock water for the chicken soup. I have taken 2 glasses of water for this. Into this, I am adding a small piece of crushed ginger. I'm also adding a small piece of chicken and letting it boil. While the chicken is boiling, you should remove the scum that forms on top. After the chicken is boiled, remove it from the water and cut the chicken into small pieces and set them aside. We will be using this same water for the soup. Now, I have taken a pot to prepare the chicken soup. Into this, I am adding about 1 tablespoon of butter. If butter is not available, you can use regular sunflower oil. 1 tablespoon will be enough. This makes soup for 3 people. After the butter has melted, add a half teaspoon of very finely chopped garlic and a half teaspoon of ginger and sauté them. Add 1 very finely chopped green chili and sauté it. Now add 1 tablespoon of very finely chopped carrots. Also add about 1 tablespoon of chopped beans and mix them together. When they are medium roasted, add the chicken stock water. If you need more soup, you can add a little more water. Now add salt as needed for the soup. Add a half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix all these ingredients well. Add a half teaspoon of sugar as well. The soup is now boiling well. Add the chicken that has been cut into small pieces. It should be in very small pieces. Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. The soup is now coming to a good boil. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with a little water and then pour it into the soup. Mix well. The scum that forms on top should be removed. If you feel the soup needs more thickness, you can add a little more cornstarch. I have added a medium level of thickness here. Now, beat 1 egg well and pour it over the top. Quickly mix it as well. Sprinkle a little very finely chopped coriander leaves on top. Those who do not like the taste of coriander leaves do not need to use them. Mix it well again here. Now you can turn off the stove. So, a great chicken soup that you can drink before lunch or dinner is ready. As I said earlier, while soups are available in many varieties and names, this is a common-style chicken soup. I hope everyone liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page have a lot of old videos. Please try to watch them. So, I will be back with a new video soon. Until then, bye-bye.